Hi guys, so today I am going to be doing this or that squishy tag. Sorry for my ugly hair, I just took a bath. So yeah, let's just get on to the video. Okay, so first, big squishies, big squishies or small squishies. Wait, what? Okay, I messed up. Sorry guys. Hold on. So, big squishies or small squishies. Sorry for the bad lighting. Again. I think I would like to do small squishies because I could smash it. So, and then big squishies, I literally can't put it in my hand. Okay, so yeah, small squishies. Seals or pandas? Which one's cuter? I don't know. I think I would like seals more, but pandas are cute too. So this one's maybe half, maybe both, maybe both. But yeah, seals. Goldfish. What's this one? Open up packaging or sealed packaging. I never got a sealed packaging actually, so yeah. But I think I would like a sealed packaging better because it's cuter design and also it won't get, your squishy won't get defected. Okay, so Hello Kitty or Rilakkuma. This is not a Rilakkuma squishy, but I don't really have any Rilakkuma squishies, so Hello Kitty, of course, because I don't have Rilakkuma squishies. I do want a Rilakkuma cupcake, though. Okay, sweet desserts, sweet squishies, like dessert squishies, or fruit squishies. I would like, I like fruit squishies more because they're fruits and they're so good. I love fruit because they're so juicy and stuff. The last round is, well, not really round, but the last, well, not last, but last squishy thing is small homemade squishies actually, or not homemade, bought squishies. I like bought squishies because they look better. Now for the last question, it is online shopping or shopping at a store. I would like to online shop. Actually, online shop. Because I don't really have squishy stores here. So yeah, that's it for my squishy tag. So yeah, bye guys.